Hi guys, hope you're fine. Oh, look, I have new things to sell to you, pre-loved, mostly, sometimes as new. I'm very excited because in today's video, I'm gonna do the bag drop day. Every Wednesday, I sell you things like bags, accessories, luxury. My website is here. I ship worldwide, and right now we offer delivery in the US, by the way, so don't hesitate. We are based in Spain. I'm French, but we are based in Spain right now. We ship worldwide. Do not hesitate. If you have questions, feel free. So I'm just showing you like the bags and accessories that I have to sell, and then you have to go on the website to buy directly from there. But yeah, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask us in the Instagram of the brand or my personal Instagram. I will put you everything on the screen, or on the website you have a chat also. You can contact us or by email, as you wish. Okay, let's start with this one. So I had a Chanel vintage one. I do have the box for this one and the dust bag here. Voila, the dust bag here, and here is the bag. So look, this beautiful baby from Chanel. This is a vintage one. It's a very dark blue, like a navy blue, but very, very dark. I'm in black, so as you see, you cannot see a huge difference actually. The strap is actually okay, you can wear it like on the shoulder. Not sure you can wear it crossbody though. This is a vintage. The strap is actually very good. Hardware is a little bit used. The leather is so smooth. Like vintage ones are the best. This is a gold-plated one. Corners are great. This is crazy how vintage are so nice. It's a little bit rough, but otherwise, this is insane. Like this is quite insane. Like. I'm so shocked sometimes about the quality and condition of some vintage bags. This is beautiful. So nothing else to say. Bag is gorgeous. The opening is here of the bag. Interior is like a red fabric, dark red fabric. You have the Chanel Paris. You have everything here. I do not have sticker inside, and I do not have the authenticity card of origin. This is a vintage. But I do have the entropy certificate. I do have an entropy certificate for this one and our certificate as well. And the price is amazing. So the price for this one is 2,242 USD, 1,900 euro. I always try to give you the prices in USD now and euro as well. So I don't know if it's really helpful for you or not, but on the website you can buy directly in USD if you wish, or euro, or sometimes in your own currency. Not every country. When it's a currency that moves a lot, we cannot, unfortunately, but because of the exchange rate, so it will be in euro. But these are amazing. I hope you enjoy the websites. Let me know, but I always try my best to give you the best, you know. I will unbox the Louis Vuitton at the end of the video, I think. Let's keep this for the end. Okay. Keepall. This is a size 50 with the strap, the bandolier one. Condition, I would say, is good. This is a vintage for this one, as you can see on the bottom of the bag. But I love it. Like, you have the strap that is in good condition. You have some little stain on the leather part. Here it's a little bit fold. The handles are very fine. Hardware is not that bad actually. It's a very good condition. This is a beautiful one. This is a one that is from 1993. Inside also is very good. This is a beautiful one. Huh? Price for this one is 873 USD and 740 euro. This is a very good one, and this is a classic. Everyone needs a Keepall in their life, actually, to travel or for weekend, whatever. This is a must. By the way, I will try to link down below in the description every time my outfits, what I'm wearing, and my shop, if you want to check my outfits, my makeup, whatever. Like, I just created a shop. You have two links for the LTK shop and the Klarna one as well. Two different ones, but I try to put more and more things inside. It takes forever to do it, so excuse me in advance. I will try to link everything each time. If you want to have a look, feel free. Anyway, okay, let's continue now. Little Agenda PM size from Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. Condition is great. Yeah, you have like a little stain here on the outside, white. Otherwise, condition is perfect for this one. Price for this one is 242 USD, 205 euro. Even the button gold hardware is actually in good condition. This is quite rare. Ooh, I have something here. Ah, what? You guess, I think what it is. So I do have the dust bag for this beauty. Wow, wow, wow. This is a Lady Dior, medium size. Condition is insane. Like the shape of the bag is perfect. Like, as you can see, quite rare. Usually it's like, you know. So condition on the outside is very good. You have like little scratches on the bag. You have a little fit. The corners are a little bit rough, but almost nothing. Hardware is very good. The only thing about this one is here. The handles here are a little bit used. So yeah, it's like the lever is well used on this part. But that's it. Otherwise, precious. This does not come with a strap for this one. This is an old one. Inside is very good, red fabric. So we have the code for this bag. Very amazing condition otherwise, other than the handle. So the price will be very, very, very good. Now this one is insane actually. And I also do have the entrepreneur certificate for this one. I'm like actually considering keeping this bag. I know a place where I can make them repair the handles. And I don't know if I need like to make them repair now. I can wait, but I know some place because otherwise the bag is in such a good shape. Like this is crazy. Okay, so now the price. I do have entrepreneur certificate for this one, by the way. Price for this one is 2,242 USD, 1,900 euro. Voila, voila. This one is so good. Like the only thing is the handle, but it's nothing on this type of bag. It's very good. Next now. Ooh, I think I only had this one time, this bag. So I do have the dust bag. And this is the mini looping one. I think this is the second time I have this one, so I'm very excited. Condition on the outside is very good. Like canvas is perfect. The handle has stain. Obviously, it's not perfect. It was used. It's not a brand new one, but other than that, it's very good. Other than that, it's very good. Inside of the bag is very good as well. You have a little zipper pocket. It's in such a good condition. Let me see if I can get the year of the bag. Yeah, it's a 2002 handbag. So it's actually very nice. And for the price, it's 732 USD, 620 euro. Voila, voila. It's very good. Like very, 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 very good. I'm so happy. Like it's beautiful. And with this bag, come on. It's good. Next, I have lots of things today, so stay tuned. Stay until the end. I have this mini wallet, little wallet from Louis Vuitton, monogram canvas. Outside is actually amazing. Here, a little bit damaged, but it's very little. You have every photo, details, description on the website. Huh? Link here. The button has little scratch, not perfect, but it's not a brand new one, it's a vintage. Inside is very good. You have signs of wear. Then, yeah, it's here. This part is very damaged on the leather. It was used, obviously. Wow. You can still use it quite properly, but still, it's used. And here you have the coin part that is very good. I think almost never used. This is insane, actually. This is very good. So the price for this one is 219 USD, 185 euro. Okay. Ooh, it's been a long time. And, oh my God. Nano Speedy, the mini Speedy here. I'm so excited. This one is so nice. I do have the strap with the protection for the shoulder. You can remove the strap. Condition is actually very, very good. Yeah, it's so nice. You have little stain on the handle, but obviously I do have the leather parts here of the zipper, which is quite rare. And yeah, the inside is good. The inside is actually very good. Like you cannot see it from here, but inside is quite good. This is a 1991 bag. So this is so cute. And the price for this one is 968 USD, 820 euro, as the other ones we sold. And this one is actually in better condition. So, you know, this is a good deal. Next one, we have a Celine Macadam handbag, crossbody bag, la la la, voila voila. So, as you can see, you can wear it crossbody. This is adjustable, as you can see. The strap is actually in very good condition. Here you have little stitching that are not perfect. Obviously, this is vintage, but still, I prefer to warn you that the stitching are, you know. Okay, next, the outside is actually in very good condition. You have damage here on the side around the leather parts, but you know, this is not brand new. Also on the sides, you have a dark brown leather, but otherwise good condition, huh? Very good. Inside looks like this, so you have like 3 pockets. This is huge. And a zipper pocket. No, this one is a bit stained. This one, no, but this one in the middle, yes. You have the zipper pocket. Here we have a little code here, M10. No. It's actually a very good one. Not amazing condition. It's a good condition, I would say, but the price is very low. The price for this one is 307 USD, 260 euro. So, you know, price is amazing. Very interesting. Okay, another one. Look at this. I have another Dior with the dust bag, and this one, you're gonna be shocked. I had the bag in bigger and in green. You are going to love it. And I had it in white. I don't know if it's helping you. Look, so nice. This is a J'Adior. So this one you can wear it as a pouch like this, a clutch, or you can wear it with the strap. I'm just gonna remove it. So you open it like this, up, and let's just gonna take up it outside with the chain. So you can wear it on the shoulder, actually. On crossbody, I'm not sure, but this is beautiful. On the outside, it looks as new, like almost as new. We can see like some trace of the chain here on the back and little scratches, but otherwise, insane. When we open it, I do have papers actually also for the bag. Let me check if I have a year. Yeah, actually, it was bought in 2019. So 5 September 2019. So it's a very recent bag, I would say. I do have also probably the entreprise certificate. Yes, I do have entreprise certificate. Inside is very cute. Inside is actually as new also. Like suede, black leather, one little pouch. As new. It's gorgeous. Like, the condition is so nice. This is insane. The price for this one is 1,558 USD, and the price in euro is 1,320 euro. This is a very gorgeous one. I'm in love. I'm so in love with it. I'm in love. I want the bag. I wish I could keep it. This is so cute. Like, very, very nice. Okay, let's continue. Because otherwise, I'm gonna keep everything. Next, a box from Louis Vuitton. Let's open it. We have this bag here and long wallet, zippy, donc zip long. Condition on the outside is very, very, very good. Hardware is a bit used, less gold, I would say. Zipper is perfect. Inside is actually perfect. We have a zipper pocket here for the coins, very good also. It's actually an amazing condition. I don't know what to say. Price for this one is 461 USD, 390 euro. Condition is as new, I would say, for this one. As new. I do have everything, so it's so nice. Yeah, it's an amazing condition. Like, I'm shocked. Oh, let me close it properly. But yeah, no, amazing. You should buy it, actually. If you don't have one yet like this, you should get one. And I have also the Louis Vuitton. I promise you to open at the end. I do have the box for this one. I do have the dust bag also. It's a full set. And look! Alma BB. And I do have the strap normally inside. Let me check right now. Yeah. I do have the strap here. Okay, let me put the strap on. So, this is how it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, full set. Bag was used. As you can see, the leather is well tanned, like heavily tanned. Very nice. Padlock and keys, like it's tanned the same way everywhere. On the bottom, you have little stain, but almost nothing actually. It's in very good condition. Corners also a little rubbed, but so little. I'm so shocked. Very good. The only thing about this bag is that it's a bag made where, let me check something. It's a bag made in France, but the strap, I think, was came from another bag. It's a made in USA strap. And yes, there is a factory, yeah, various factories in the US, as you know, when you buy from the US. So I think it's another strap. It's not from the bag itself, so it was added. But anyway, you have the strap. Condition is very good, and inside also is like very good, like very, very good. Quite happy. And the bag is, the year of the bag is 2019. So you still have the serial number. So it's a very recent one as well. And for the price of the bag, let me check. The price is 1,404 USD, and for the euro, 1,190 euro. Voila for the job of the day. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the website. Happy shopping, happy bag day, and see you for the other video on Sunday. Bisous.